Hi guys, this is Amy and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial showing you how to install the new Lightroom CC preset files, the .xmp files, into Lightroom Classic CC 7.3 and above. So basically Lightroom is replacing their old preset files, the .irtemplate files, now with the .xmp files. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have an updated version of Lightroom Classic. It should be 7.3 or above. And installing them is actually a little bit different, so I'm going to walk you through the steps of doing that. It's simple though. So what you want to do is first come up to the corner here where it says Lightroom Classic, click on that, scroll down to Preferences, click on that. Okay, when the Preferences box opens up, you want to click on Show Lightroom Developed Presets. From there, mine opens in the folder setting with Camera Raw. If yours does not, you're going to want to click on the Camera Raw folder, and then inside of the Camera Raw folder, you want to open up the Settings folder. Once you have the Settings folder opened up, you are going to want to go to your computer and get the presets that you want to install. So I have mine already opened up in the background. I'm going to bring them right here. So this is the Bright and Airy collection by Goldie Lights. What you want to install are the desktop.xmp files. So the first thing we're going to do is in the Settings folder, you're going to create a new folder. So we're going to create a new folder and we're going to name it Bright and Airy because that's what this collection is. And then we're going to open that up. Okay, so we're going to go back then to the Bright and Airy presets, open up the desktop.xmp folder, and you just want to select all the presets, copy them, and then paste them into the new folder we just created. Okay, so now you can see in the Settings folder, you have a Bright and Airy folder with all of the presets now pasted into it. So after that, you're just going to close everything down. You will restart Lightroom, and then you will be able to see your presets open up over in the preset panel, and you will be able to use them. So it's that simple, and I hope that helps. Please just message me if you have any other questions. Thank you.